Points by number 9. Oh, goalie naman. Number 21. 2 points. By number 21. Bola sa All-Star.
Period, pre. 1. Wala ka lang period.
Number 10, Tumira. 3 points. Number 10, sa All-Star. Number 10 sa Dark. Oh, last pass naman ang Dark. Number 10, All-Star dribble. Pass to number 21. Tumira 21. Hindi na pasok. Oh, number 7 foul. Number 10 sa Dark dribble. Oh, si Boy. Oh, points number 6 sa Dark. Number 10 dribble start. Right? O pitas sa number 9. Number 9 pass to number 22. Number Tumira. Butiki. Oh, rebound sa number 7. Number 11. Pass to number 7. Tumira. Good shot. Number 7 sa Dark. Ang score, 7-4. Tamangan 7. Number 10, pass to number 21. 21, dribble. Oh, mayroong foul. Number 10 sa Dark. First team foul, Dark. Number 9, Tumira. Di na pasok. Rebound number 2 sa Dark. Dribble. Dribble. Right. Pass to number 7. Oh, out mo lang. Number 10 sa light. Dribble. Dribble. Right. Not good. Rebounds number 18. Number 10 dribble. Pass to number 11. Not good. Rebounds number 10. Oh, run receiving. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 7. Okay, pass to number 7 dito. Ang score, 6-7. Ang 7. O, 10, dribble, 21, drive. 13, pulling. Ball sa 13, Tumira. Not good. Rebounds number 10, dribble. Pass to number 7. Sayang. Number 22 sa light. Back to number 3 dribble. 10 dribble. Pass to number 9. Tumira ng dribble. Hindi pasok. Rebounds number 18 sa Dark. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 11. 11 dribble. Number 10. Back to pass to number 18. Tumira. Not good. Oh, rebounds number 7. Pasok. Oh, nahuli is number 10 dito. Pass to number 10. Oh, nahuli is number 10 sa Dark. Pass to number 2. Oh, what? Stepping ball. Stepping ang pit. So, nasa light. Foul number 7. Dark.
Second take foul.
First,
Wala, hinahanap nga namin yung pintutan ito eh.
first through. Good shot. Last through. Not good. Rebounds na miss. Police 21. Pass to number. Good shot by number. Number 13. Tumira 3 points in 11. Hindi na pasok. Rebounds 22 sa right. Pass to number 10. Turang. Not foul. Rebounds number 7 sa dark. Pinasas number 11. Back to number. Good pass. Good shot by number 18 sa dark. Ang score 18. Abangan 10. Not good. Bola sa dark. Last touch ang 22 sa right. Number 18 sa dark dribble. Pass to number. Out na naman. Good shot by number 18. Tae ang score. 21 dribbles sa right.
Traveling.
Tumira. Out. Traveling violation.
Pre, kaway mo na.
Number 7. Pass to 10. Dark. Dribble. Huli sa 21. Rebound. Oh, nahuli. Oh, nandun sa number 2. Dark. Dribble. Pass to number 2. Drive. Good shot. Laman. Number 9 sa right. Dribble. Pass to 22. Tumira ng 3 points. Hindi napasok. Rebound sa number 2 sa dark. Dribble number 2. Pass to up. Good pass. Ay. 3 seconds.
Over pass.
Oh. Bola sa dark. Out ang bola sa left. Deep dark dribble. Ang score 12 din. Napangat 12. 11. Sa dark. Tumira ng 3 points. Hindi napasok. Out ang ball.
Ikaw ba yan, Luka?
Number 13 sa dark right. Dribble. Pass to number 9. Tumira 3 points. Good shot. Naman. Number 9, 3 points sa right. Number 2, dribble sa dark. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 18. Tumira ng 3 points. Not good. Rebound sa 21. Number 9. Tumira ng 3 points. Hindi naman. Rebound sa number 18. Pass to go. Foul number 9 sa right. First team foul, number 9. Good pass. Number 7, dark. Is getting. Alright. Casing Tokyo. O, second quarter tayo.
Pre, kaway mo na. Yan.
Wala sa daw. Meeting 3 points tumira. Good shot. Ang score 17-30. Labang ang Dark. Number 10 dribble, side. Foul number 13 sa line. First foul. First team foul sa line. Power free throw. Number 10 first throw. Good shot. Second throw. Rebound. Not good. Rebound number 9 sa right. Number 9 dribble. Pass to number 10. Tumira ng 3 points. Good shot. Number 9. Ang score 16-18. Lamangan na. Tumira ng 3 points. Good shot. 3 points number 18. Ito lang to. 2 points lang. 19 ang score.
Hey, shooter dito! Sila!
21 dribble. Tumiro. Ang foul. Counted. 21. Sinong foul? Number 2. Sadar. Bonus through. Number 2. Sadar. Good shot. Tie score ang score. Tie. Number 10 sa dribble. Pass. Oh, nahuli sa 21. Dribble sa 21. Dribble and drive. Good shot. Number 21. Save ball.
Sa, Franz! Dalawa doon!
Good shot, number 7. Tie score naman yan. Number 10 dribble, sakay, pass. Tumira ng 3 points. Not good, rebound number 1.
Period ko. Yung scoreboard nila. Yung score machine, yung scoring board wala kahapon.
Number 2 dribble, pass, back. Oh, who is number 21 dribble. 21 dribble. Drive na naman. Good shot, number 21. Oh, out, bola sa line. Lamang ang 23 sa 21. Oh, number 10. Pass to number 9. Back to number 10. Back to number 9. Tumira ng 3 points. Not good. Rebound number 10. Rebound 21. Oh, mayroong foul. Foul number 8. Sadar. Oh, time out niya. Under. Second team foul under, first team foul ang line.
Botics, pakipansin na lang yung foul.
Yung
Kasi
kahit walang foul na.
hindi ko ba
Sira.
gagawin.
Tumba na. Okay. Timing. Bonus throw. Bonus throw. Rebound. Dalawang niya.
Kapit!
24-21. Last throw. Good shot. Ang score 25-21. Number 18 dribble start. Number 7 pass to number 10. Pass to number 2. Oh, nahuli na naman. 22 dribble. 21. Good shot. Nice pass. Number 2, pass to. Good shot naman, number 18. Number 22 sa line dribble. Number 10 sa line, pass to number 9. Tumira ng 3 points. Not good. Out ang ball. Bola sa dark. Number 10 dribble. Pass to number 18. Tumira 3 points. Not good. Yun, hole is number 10. Light dribble. One good drive. Not good. Rebounds number 10 dribble. Pass to number. Oh, hole is 21. Number 9 dribble. Pass to number 10. Tumira. Hindi na pasok. Bounce to. Pass to number 10. 10 dribble sa dark. Drive. Pass to number 7. Mayroong foul. 21. Second team foul naman ang line. Free throw. Double shot. Number 7, Sander. Last throw, rebound. Pumasok isa. Early tapi.
Early si Early.
Nandoon si Early pa lang. Oh, another group. Oh, wala pa na. Number 9. Dribble. Salay. Pass to 22. Oh, 9. Pass to number 10. Tumira 3 points. Not good. Rebounds 21. Tumira naman 21. Not good. Nandoon naman sa 21. Not good na. Oh, nandoon pag is number 10. Oh, pass to number 9. Oh, ganyan. Oh, wala pa naman. Rebounds. Foul. 9. 13 foul under. Oh, last throw. Not good. Oh. Pasok isa. 10. Pass to number 6. Pass to no one. Out naman. Pass to no one. Oh, huli. Number 6, dribble, give it. Tumiyap, pinasa. Nandun. Balik sa operating pass to the goal. Huli sa number 9. Okay, dribble. foul. Okay na naman.
Nice, 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 nice.
21, 2 points. Oh, number 10 sa dark dribble. Dribble. Pass to number 18. Tumira ng 3 points. Not good. Rebound sa number 9. Dribble number 9. Dribble, dribble, and dribble. Ow! Nandun, out. Subon. Tumira ng 18. Wala pasok. Oh, wala lang mo na. Third quarter tayo. Ang score 13-24, Labangan Light.